Hi all, welcome to another video of Berg Performance, and today we have another BMW M3 G80 in the shop, which is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is the skyscraper gray metallic color on this vehicle. It's not individual paint as I'm thinking right now, but it looks so awesome, especially with the contrasting carbon fiber bits on it. But okay, what are we going to do to this vehicle? We are not going to tune this vehicle, but we are going to place a warranty compliant, yes, BMW warranty compliant exhaust system on the vehicle, removing the OPF without using any OPF filters, con emulators or something like that, and to generate a little bit more sound and feeling of the vehicle, so as it should sound like. We are going to use this beautiful 4-inch Milltek Single Midpipe. Normally we also offer our own Berg Performance Single Midpipe, but the customer, the client, he really requested to use the Milltek part, which is absolutely no problem because we do a lot of things with Milltek, especially on BMW cars and on VAG cars. So we are going to replace this part, and in this video you'll be able to hear the sound difference between the stock exhaust and the Milltek Single Midpipe with the OPFs removed. And as I was saying, this is a warranty compliant setup, so if you have any warranty on the vehicle, we will not put it on paper that the warranty will stay, but we know from our own experience that nothing will happen to the warranty. And why not? Because we also get a lot of demand and requests from the BMW dealerships themselves. So also those vehicles, M3s, M5s, it doesn't matter what it is, we get a lot in our shop to do these kind of modifications with, if it doesn't exist of tuning. So yeah, let's get started. Disconnect the OPF. So these are the OPF sensors. Oh, that's a screw. This is always a challenge when you're losing screws, but I will find it. Oh yeah, this is by the way the collection of a few G80 exhausts that we had. There are some other more at the other side of the shop, which I will not show right now, but yeah, let's add it to the collection. Beep, 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 beep. You know, these exhaust systems, I've done them so many times that I can really dream. But yeah, experience, right? I lost a screw again. Final bolt. It's like this. That's it, the final part. Let me just give you a nice comparison between the two exhaust systems. This part of the exhaust, so the front side of the exhaust, connects to the original OEM downpipes of the vehicle. So we're not going to do anything with that. You can see that this stock exhaust system consists of secondary catalytic converters, which don't have any sensors on them or something like that, so they will not throw any kind of errors. Next up we go to the OPFs. These are the two OPFs. In the United States you don't have these. You have, I think, two other silencers or something like that in here. This is the resonator, the mid silencer, and at that side you can find the back box. So this is the part where we are going to cut it up and fit the Milltek exhaust system on. So the back box will stay the same, as well as the downpipes will stay the same, but all these elements in the middle, all the filtering will be gone. I already know where to cut off the stock exhaust system, but it never hurts to just double check again with the exhaust system that we have received. Because as you can see, without putting this one in its place. In the stock exhaust system, you can see these little buttons, and this is exactly the point where you should cut these off. So if I fit this one, if this is the correct side, like this, you can indeed see that it comes exactly at this spot where you can literally cut it off. That's it. Yes. Perfect. Yes, I have already loosened the bolt. Loosen it up a little bit more. And it helps. Yeah, there we are. Just thinking, does everyone who works on cars or on exhaust talk to themselves? Looking nice. Not too tight, because otherwise you will bend the exhaust itself. But if it's not leaking, it's not leaking. So it should be okay. And the nice thing about these kind of things is that you can also exchange it with the stock exhaust again. So if you remove, for example, when you're selling the car, you remove the single midpipe, you can just simply put the midpipe on and then clamp it all together. Oh, perfect. It doesn't touch, and if it doesn't touch, that means it's good. Beautiful, I like it. Done! So now we have fitted the Milltek exhaust perfectly in its place, and now we're going to adjust the software of the vehicle in order to disable the OPF and not lose a factory warranty. I recently sold my own BMW M3, which was in Grigio Telesto, the individual grey color, and bought a BMW M2 in Brooklyn Grey, which is an awesome color, but I have to say the skyscraper grey metallic, it just looks a little bit better, I think. Yeah. I'm not regretting anything, but I'm just saying the contrast is beautiful. So now that all the hardware has been fitted to this vehicle, we are going to do the software part. It is also possible to do this on remote. So if you live on the other side of Europe, you can get in touch with us and we can do this on remote for you. If you have already, for example, ordered a part from our webshop to fit a new exhaust system in, or did it yourself. So there we go. We have successfully fitted the 4-inch Milltek Single Midpipe on this vehicle. So this midpipe is a little bit fatter than the single midpipe that we provide. So the tone will even be deeper than our own single midpipe. Quality wise, it doesn't really matter. It's just like the preference of sound and tone that you prefer. We have tried a lot of setups on these vehicles already, from single midpipe to equal length to single midpipe, which is even bigger, to, for example, the performance midpipe that we have created ourselves, which is really for performance gains. It just depends on what kind of tone of sound you like, so it's very subjective. We also have a lot of clients who try out the one midpipe and then switch over to another one and then try something else out. So, oh wait, let's go straight ahead here. We're going to a new road today, by the way. So yeah, that's a very subjective thing, but this one should sound really amazing. So I will just drive around a little bit in comfort mode, also to warm the car up. Well, it is already warm, to be honest. The specific car has been fitted with the carbon ceramics. Those brakes are really great, of course, but I can feel it in the steering wheel and in the whole driving experience of the car, because it is like unsprung weight, what has been lowered, so that part is lower, and you feel it in the nimbleness of this vehicle. It is more nimble than a car that has, for example, normal steel brakes. And yeah, the braking performance is out of this world, of course. This biker in front of us, he really likes this car. He's like challenging me all the time, but yeah, we are no competition for a bike, of course. We'll just go to another road. So yeah. And how's the sound? We did not turn off the active sound design, the ASD of this vehicle. Because of coding functionalities, I did not get a chance to completely disable it. But the sound is very subtle. It is quiet in comfort mode, so this is complete comfort. And you cannot hear anything. You don't hear anything, right, cameraman? Do you hear anything?
Yeah. No.
So it's very comfortable. And when you put it in sports mode, it is still very subtle, because the end box is the same. The catalytic converters are stock. But listen to this. Wow. The sound is so great. It really comes alive. It really does come alive. This is like how these cars are meant to be in the first place, and because of our beautiful European regulations, we are quite limited in getting normal sounds out of cars, out of factory. The manufacturers, they know this, and I really appreciate BMW that they still make these kind of things possible, even with the OPFs, of course. But yeah, we have our solution for this one. Also, a nice thing to say is that not this is only factory or warranty compliant. So not only this is warranty compliant, we can also flash the transmission in a warranty compliant way. The owner of this car was like, I just want a little bit more sound and I'm going to trade this car in a while, so that is really enough. The sound is amazing. Yes, the ASD or the speakers are a little bit changing the sound, but you can really hear the exhaust. Oh. You can also hear the sound of the exhaust. We will do some shots from the outside of the vehicle and then compare it to you. So there's a train station there. I will just turn around and go the other way around. So if you have a BMW with an OPF, if it's an M3, an M2, an M5, it doesn't matter what, and you still have the factory warranty, we have the solution for this. As you saw, we are not using any CAN bus emulators or OPF modules, delete modules, which I am not a real fan of. Just a factory warranty method without the need to unlock the ECU. Just contact us. We can do it for you. We can fit the exhaust system. We can deliver the exhaust system. We can adjust the software accordingly on remote as well if you live in other countries. In Europe, of course, because in the States you don't have the OPF. Just get in touch with us. We have a lot of experience with exhaust setups, so we can give you a valid advice in what kind of exhaust system you should take and also fit it for you with your car. You can be sure that the car is in brilliant hands here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, of course, please like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.